Hey guys, so today I'm going to be using my Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm using this coppery brown color, and I'm going to be putting this into the crease, and I'm going to blend it out very well. And this is going to be the transition color to the look because I want it to be a little different than the lid color. So as you can see, I'm just trying to get a nice shape going, and then I'm just continuing to blend it all out. And then I will take an even fluffier brush. This is a pretty thick brush, and this is just going to blend out the harsh edges all around. And now I'm going to be using Giza from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to just use this as a brow bone color and then re-blend the crease. Now I'm going to use another brown eyeshadow. This one's a little bit less coppery than the other one, and I'm just going to work this into the crease. And now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut the crease. So I'm just taking a small flat brush and I'm just going to look up, and then that'll create the cut crease line for me, so that way you don't have to worry about it smudging or getting messed up. And now I'm gonna mix this white and this light brown, almost beige eyeshadow together just to set it. And right now I'm just packing on a lot of white eyeshadow into the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to be using this corally reddish eyeshadow, and I'm going to put this right next to the white eyeshadow we used, but I'm not going to bring it in all the way to the inner corner, so that way we still have some of the white showing. And I'm just going to nicely blend it out, and then I will use this darker red eyeshadow, and I will put this right next to the one that we just applied, and we're just going to create a pretty ombre gradient effect. Now I'm using this super red eyeshadow. This is a little bit shimmery, but this is from the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm just using this as the outer part of my eye. And then I'll just go in one color darker, so that way you can really tell the difference. This is more of a magenta-y color, and I'm just putting this onto the outer part of the lid. So next I'm taking a flat angled brush, and I'm going to use this with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to create a winged eyeliner effect. And I want it to be in this concealer, so that way we can place the color over it, since we're going to be doing a reverse ombre. So basically how we started with the white ending with the darkest color, we're going to reverse it and start in the inner corner with the darkest magenta color, and then end with the white eyeshadow at the tip of the eyeliner. So you can kind of see what I'm doing here. And you're just going to repeat this until you get to the white at the end of the tip of the eyeliner. So once all your colors are in place, this is totally up to you. I'm just going to wing out the magenta color and kind of go shape over the wing eyeliner, and then I will take this sparkly color pop champagne-y color and put this into the inner corners of my lid. And then I will just be placing on some Revlon eyelashes. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.